Hmm. Hello, good afternoon. Today is May 20, 2007, a Sunday. And I am Johnson Sibalo, Shihan of La Resa Dojo. Dito ako ngayon sa aming bahay. As you can see, I'm just going to show you what kind of training that I'm doing right now. So what I'm going to show you is how I train my hands, how I train my forearms. So my forearms, hindi ako maalis ng bahay, not leaving my house without the equipment that I'm putting in my hands. Okay. So for example, these are chains. Okay. So these chains weigh almost 1 kilo. And then put this in my arms like so. Right. Using the right. So we and cover it up with pangyayari. Don't use sandwich because again, sandwich I'll just doesn't hurt my hands. Later, papakita ko sa inyo effect. So I'm going to put outside. I'm going to use different kinds of weapons, and I'm going to show you Suburi. Suburi is a very good
May gagano naman.